Hello friends, welcome to Programming Fever. Today I will show you how can you make a weight converter using Python. So friends, to make weight converter, we use a simple GUI with the help of Tkinter library. So first we will import Tkinter library from Tkinter import asterisk. Now we will create a graphic user interface window with the help of window tk. After that I will write a function to convert weight given in kilogram to gram, pounds and ounces. So we define a function define from kg. Now I will write the function to convert kilogram value to gram. So gram equal to float. Here we define e2 as a variable, e2 value dot get, and we multiply this value with 1000 because you already know to convert kg into gram we multiply with 1000. Similarly we will write for pound and ounce. Now friends, I will enter the converted weight to the text widget. If I tell you about the widgets are simply the labels, text and boxes that we are using in the window frame. Here we have three text boxes T1, T2 and T3. So for this, I will write the code T1 dot delete 1.0 and this function delete the text from 0 to end from the text box 1. Now to insert the converted value in the text box 1, I will write the code t1 dot insert and in text box 1 I will write the gram value. Similarly for the remaining two text boxes I will write the code as. Now I will create a label widget. So to create label widgets, I will first assign a variable e1 equal to label window text equal to enter the weight in kg, and for e2 value that is equal to string variable entry window text variable equal to e2 value. Similarly, we will assign variables for the remaining three labels gram, pound and ounce. That is E3 equal to label in the window text equal to gram. The same we will repeat for pound and ounce. Now I will create the three text box with the help of t1 equal to text window height equal to 1 width equal to 20, and to create second text box that is t2 equal to text. After that, we will create a button widget. We assign a variable v1 equal to button window text equal to convert command equal to, it will take the value from kg defined function. Now friends, what we are going to do next, now we will use a grid method in Python. This grid method is used for placing the widgets at the respective positions in table like structure, that is e1 dot grid. And as you know, for table format we use row and column, row equal to 0, column equal to 0. Similarly e2 dot grid. Similarly, we will use the grid method for the text boxes e1 dot grid row equal to 2, column equal to 0. And to start the GUI program in Python, we will write at the end window dot main loop. Now let's check the output of this program. So friends, as you can see, we have designed a weight converter. Now enter the value in kg. Suppose I will enter 2. So the result is here. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.